Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Shift Lock in Roblox settings so the control becomes available. Open the gear icon while in game, then go to Settings and find Camera Mode and Shift Lock switch. Turn Shift Lock switch on and make sure camera mode is set to Classic or Default so the feature works as intended. Once done, exit Settings and test by pressing the Shift key briefly. You should enter the shoulder camera lock that lets you pivot without changing movement direction. Next, you bind and verify the actual key behavior on your laptop. First, confirm your left Shift key is responsive in a text editor or keyboard tester, because Shift Lock relies on that physical key. Then return to Roblox and press left Shift to engage the lock. The camera should snap to an over-the-shoulder view. While held or toggled, move with WASD to verify your character continues in the same direction while you rotate the camera independently. If it feels off, recheck camera mode. To finish, resolve common issues that block Shift Lock from working reliably. If Shift Lock doesn't engage, restart Roblox or your browser and try again. Sometimes temporary glitches clear up that way. Make sure no third-party overlays or custom hotkey apps are intercepting the Shift key, and update the Roblox client so you're on the latest build. If problems continue, toggle Shift Lock off and on again in Settings, then test. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot your laptop if keys appear unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.